Not much to report on today, unfortunately, but I did get around to installing the rear subframe suspension arms, just on the subframe side anyway. I can't install the wheel carriers yet because I'm waiting for new wheel flanges to install in those new rear bearings. These bolts aren't fully tightened up, they're just tightened up to the point that the arms are being held in position. I can still move them. I just don't want them dragging on the ground as I move the subframe around on this trolley. And just to make sure I got the nuts and bolts the right way around, I did use the EPC as a reference. This has let me down in the past, with parts being in the wrong location in the diagram, but I think it's correct. It's not entirely clear when you first look at it, but you have to make sure you're looking at the correct side, and then you just repeat that on the other side. The caliper is on the rear side of the disc. You just have to bear that in mind to make sure you're putting everything the right way around. The kit of arms does come with instructions anyway. These are the original flanges that have to go in the trash. They're no good. They're basically bent. I've already pressed out the dowel pins just in case the new ones don't come with them. If they are usable, I'll just press them into the new flanges. I've got aftermarket ones, so there's no guarantee they will come with the dowel pins installed. Interestingly, on both of these flanges, when I checked for runout, the low spot was where the dowel pins were. So perhaps it's a 30-year-old factory defect from when they were pressed in when they were new. Who knows? I've also got to get new shafts as well. I'm having a bit of trouble with that, but hopefully I can find a solution. So that's what's holding me up at the moment. I also want to clean underneath the car before reinstalling that subframe. All of this red dirt does wash off. I have found that using an alkaline solution gets it to move pretty easily. Otherwise, it's pretty stubborn and difficult to remove. But I will get under there with my goggles on and a toothbrush and clean it all by hand.